So today's video is very interesting because I will take you about some tips and tricks that will really help you. And yes, you heard it me right, I'm talking to you. Yes, you. So if you are struggling with all these issues, so do watch the video till the end, because I will give you some 4 effective tips and changed your life as if you are a person who really wants to develop English skills in your life as well as to generate and confidence. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get. So my first tip is that do not listen to people. Like you heard it me right. Yes, I'm talking to you. That please do not listen to the people. If you are as I'm giving you an example, there are elements in a classroom. There are person who demotivate you because the only job is to pressurize the other kids and try to become superior instead of listening to them or feeling very embarrassed when talking to somebody who are really motivates you. So I have seen a couple of fellow mates in my classmates as well who have the potential to speak, but they feel very hesitant, if whenever someone asks them a question, so they feel if they will speak, the person who is sitting beside him or maybe next to him will do a mockery or something like that, and they feel very they have very self-esteem, they have very low self-esteem actually, and they do not try it again to speak in front of you. So I will just give you a tip that please, it's my humble request, if you really want to generate an English skills in your life, so please, not please, it is please, so please do not concentrate on that type of people, and it's a slowly and gradual process, so it will take time, and so please do not listen to them. That's all my kind of motive. That is the first tip. And the second tip is that speaking with yourself. I know it's a very weird and it is a very underrated tip, but for me it really works. I am speaking in front of the camera, it is very unusual for me, speaking in front of an object. It is not a person, and I'm speaking like a person who's standing in front of me. But this tip really helps me. Whenever I got a time, or whenever I have a leisure time, I should talk with myself in English. For even 15 minutes, if you just try it for a time, and when you are speaking with yourself, there is no person who usually try to disturb you. Instead, you have got a free time. You can do any type of, you can converse with yourself, and it gives you an immense result. Just try for a week, do for 15 minutes a day, and then try for a week. You will see an instant results that will literally make your English to the next level. So yeah, that is my second tip. And the third tip is I think majority of you all have already heard it, and that is speaking in front of the mirror. I have spent my 18 years, and all the teachers, when I approach him how I can improve my English, so they suggested that just try an article, just take an article and then memorize the article, what is it's about, and then just paraphrase the whole thing in your own words and then speak in front of the mirror. Literally it have 2 results. It will give you 2 benefits. First of all, it reduces your hesitation drastically, literally drastically. If you just try for even one article in a day, and you're trying for a month, you will see that your English will become such a it's been improved anything, as well as it boosts your confidence. That is the one thing when you are speaking in front of the public gathering, or when you have to face the front of the audience. So this tip is very effective, and this tip I have done a couple of times when I usually have couple of debates, and when I was a person who used to have to face in front of the audience. My fourth tip is that this is the fourth tip. If you're not following this fourth tip, then your whole 3 things in above, which I have previously said it, will become ruined and will become destroyed. So the number 4 tip is consistency. I have came across that the people who usually follow this type of tips, they do it for 2 to 3 days and they feel I do not get an instant results. but trust me, language is a thing which requires time, and it is a very slow process in which you have to make up consistent efforts, you know, to improve your language. So English is like, it's a language, so you know, you have to like give up enough time, and you know, you have to follow these type of tips. And I will give you, like, this is my fourth tip, and so it is a very short video, I know, but I think the information which I have provided you is very precise, as well as it's very effective for me. So I have just thought, like, why not make a video? So yes, this is the 4 tips, and I hope so your English will become to the next level in the future. So yeah, before going to like end the video, so please, if you really love it, then please share with your friends and family, because it motivates me to make up this content in the future as well. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye.